guys, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So I'm actually just in my robe right now, just getting dressed. It is stormy here today, so Morgan worked all weekend to cover so that he didn't have to work on the really bad rainy days. So today's a bad rainy day, so we've decided to go to the movie theaters. Well, we decided yesterday, so we brought tickets to the Gold Lounge. We're gonna go watch Transformers. So just in a basic makeup look. I did film it, so I will edit it and put it up because it was just like a basic easy quick look. It took me like 25 minutes to do the whole look. So yeah, I'm just trying to choose a nice big jumper because the movies is always really cold in there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this one. It's not fully matching because it's like pink and mustard, but there is a little bits of yellow in the leaves and stuff here, so I'm like, hopefully I can get away with this because it's nice and like big and warm, and that's what I need, is something warm for the theaters. Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday, 4th of July. It's almost 10:30. I've come up with like a little pimple on my face. I never get ones here, so that's very random. But I thought I'd just tell you a funny story. So I'm sitting in bed, I'm watching YouTube and like editing on my phone at the same time. You know, what I normally do. And I could hear this noise and it was scaring the crap out of me. I'm like, someone is in my house right now. And freaking out. The dogs went absolutely psycho, like barking, because they could hear a noise as well. So I paused my YouTube, I paused my editing, and I'm like sneaking out of the bedroom, trying to see if there's someone here, calling Morgan because I'm like, someone's in the freaking house. No, let me show you what it was. It's the damn fire. Morgan had set it up so he could put it on like later tonight when it's cold. It started by itself. I didn't know that a fire could start by itself. So he's got fire lighters in there. So we don't know if maybe there was like already some heat left in there from last night's fire and that's why it started. We don't know. But it scared the absolute bejeebies out of me. Now that Morgan and everyone else has had a good laugh at me, and I've even laughed at myself, I'm gonna put some wood in there and just keep it going now because it is stormy and cold here. So yeah, we might as well just keep it going rather than waste the fire, seeing as it wants to be on by itself anyway. So I am part of the supporters group for Courtney Lee Hollands, or Centre of Attention Cosmetics. She's doing a live class right now, so I'm going to join along. So I'm going to time-lapse this for you guys. I'm filming this in the wrong direction, so in case I want to use it on TikTok or Instagram. So anyways, have fun watching. So I've just finished Courtney's class. So we did 2 looks. We did a simple like everyday look and then a colourful glam look. I glammed it up a little bit by putting lashes on. So she didn't put lashes on in the class, but I have popped them on after the class and done this. So it was a nice little class for the supporters group. If you don't know, she does have a supporters group on Facebook. You just pay a monthly fee and you get access to like little classes like this. She sometimes does like little discounts, sneak peeks, etc. So yeah, I absolutely love being in the group. I've been there from the start, so it's been around for 19 months. It came up saying that it was my 19-month anniversary. So yeah, but this is the look I did. I did exactly the same colors that Courtney chose that she did on her side, so that I could see what it would look like. So it's definitely not like the colors that I would normally choose. This one I definitely would, but this one, because it's got like purple in it, I don't normally reach for the purple, but it looks pretty good. So I'm happy that I did the same colors. Some other people did like different colors. Obviously, if they didn't have a palette or they didn't want to do a colorful look, then they didn't, or if they didn't want to do like this side, they didn't. I just wanted to try both out and follow along. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Yeah, I'm really impressed. So I'm gonna go take some photos.
You know better, so you did better.
Hey guys, welcome to Wednesday, 5th of July. Thought I'd do a quick check-in. So I don't think I vlogged about it last night. I might add a picture in here, but after I did my skincare last night, I had a major reaction to my skincare. So my face was all swollen and red, so I now have to give it a few days before putting anything on it, or at least today. Got a bit of stain in here from the purple eyeshadow that I had on that eye, but I can't get it off because I can't use anything on my face right now, so I'm just using water and face halo. I did have some CeraVe moisturizer on it as well. I think I'm about to go out with my friend. I'm just waiting for her to get here. We're gonna go for lunch or brunch.
I ain't going nowhere, just embrace me, bitch. Always lurking on my page, you don't hate me, sis.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Thursday, 6th of July. It's actually 5:15 right now. I'm just laying down in bed because I've been out all day today. I went out with the mother-in-law. We went to Harvey Norman because I needed to buy a Bissell carpet cleaner, because this house is full of like carpets and they're pretty like newish carpets, like they were done in the last 12 months. So having dogs, they get very, very dirty, and one of my dogs, not naming names, Oliver, he's looking at me right now, likes to not go outside to go to the toilet when it's raining because he is a little princess and doesn't want to go outside. So yeah, I had to get a carpet cleaner. Yeah, we went and brought a Bissell today, but then I ended up being out with the mother-in-law. She wanted to go to a few op shops, so we went to a few op shops. Then we went to the shops for lunch, to the coffee club. And then we also got some groceries from Coles as well. So yeah, we were out for like 4 hours. She also lost her glasses at one of the op shops, so then we had to like call around and then go and get the glasses.
I'll take a bullet for you just to prove my love. Only to find out you are the one holding the gun. I just can't sit to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore.
Guys, quick check-in. It is Sunday, 8th of July right now. Just setting up my makeup area to film a little bit. Oh, sorry, I was just plugging my phone in. I am just getting ready to go out. I'm not going to go into too much details because it's not my place to say, but one of my friends did have a loss, and a very, very sad loss, and we are going to support her today, have a little catch up and see a few pictures and see some little handprints and footprints and stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be a hard day today. I've been emotional for her, but I can't imagine what she's going through right now. So I'm definitely pulling out my waterproof mascara because I'm sure when I hug her I'm gonna cry. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a basic look because I just knocked over all my makeup on my desk. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a basic look, nothing like too hard. Obviously using my center of attention as always. I'm also going to do a wear test with the All Day Slay Setting Powder from Center of Attention Cosmetics. I've had a few days for my face to be resting and everything, and it's definitely starting to feel better now. It's not as like sore or tender. I can now touch it again without it hurting, and it's not like on fire anymore. I haven't needed to take an antihistamine for the last 2 days, so I think it is getting better, but I am going to be careful with my skincare when taking off my makeup tonight. Hey guys, so I'm on my way now. I just thought I'd quickly show you my makeup. That's what I did. I forgot to do a quick check-in before we left. Anyways, I'm going to chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Can I put that in my video?
No. You get too many hits.
You shouldn't do that behind me then. I'm so putting that in my vlog. Okay, weirdo. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Sunday, 9th of July. It's actually 1 p.m. right now. I'm just doing day 2 of my video because I'm doing wear tests. I don't think I'm gonna get it up tonight because I didn't finish my makeup until midday, so I'm gonna need to wear this until 8 p.m. tonight. So therefore I can't edit until 8 p.m. tonight. So yeah, I'll probably get it up tomorrow instead. And then I might push out this vlog. I might upload it either Wednesday afternoon or something rather than Tuesday, Wednesday morning. So yeah, I do still have one pre-filmed video which I need to put up. I need to edit and put it up as well. And I have a speed review video in the works as well, of some stuff that I started trying it before we moved. So yeah, now I've tried it a few more times since being here. So yeah, I think I will film that as well. Not really much to check in on. Yesterday was an emotional day. It was also an exhausting day. First time that I've actually really properly been out since my surgery. And yes, I'm 6.5 weeks post-op now. But I'm still not fully recovered. So that's gonna be 10 to 12 weeks from surgery before everything is all good to go. Before I can go back to the gym or swimming or anything like that. But yeah, I was out for about 4.5 hours yesterday, I think it was. I was a little bit tired when I got home last night. I felt emotionally exhausted as well as physically exhausted. And I actually slept for 12 hours last night, well, almost 12 hours. I think it was like 11 hours and so many minutes last night. So I must have been shattered to be able to sleep that much. So yeah, Morgan's not working today and tomorrow. He's finished his job and the next job isn't ready yet. So yeah, he's currently at the hardware store getting some stuff that he needed for work. And I'm just at home, just filming and doing this makeup. Now that I'm all done, I've done some TikToks and stuff as well. I need to start prepping for dinner. I'm cooking silverside for dinner. It's been so long since I've done that. So yeah, I need to start prepping for that because that probably needs to go in around 2:30ish. The mother-in-law is coming over for dinner as well.
You really had me out here thinking I was mid. Like I wasn't that gas, like I wasn't that fire, like I wasn't that za. Are you crazy? Well, let me reintroduce myself.
Snatch. He wanna die, baby. He wanna die, baby.